so many days we are meeting, okay? Soon we'll come to the classroom. We are missing you all, okay? Enjoying nicely, obeying your parents, feeling bored at home. Okay, now you can see these classes. You can learn something sitting at home. Okay, mom? Okay, had your breakfast? Yeah, I want to say something. I am Anita, teaching the English EVS for you. Even English also I will come. Now I am teaching you EVS, okay? Now here, when I was coming on the way to the school, I saw something on the road, like road, cat, a man, two men were fighting, man. I saw a beautiful car. Yeah, there were mountains. Yeah, shop was there beside the road. Shop. Okay. Then I was coming. A farmer was plowing his field with the ox. Farmer. Wow, beautiful plants were there beside the school gate. And there were so many water, stones, mud near the gate. You might have observed while coming near or nearby outside when you are going in a bus. You might be seeing many things surround you. Okay. Our lesson name is Our Surrounding. Now I am going to teach you a lesson, Our Surrounding. Okay. Look at here now. The list what I made, these things, they doesn't have life. Okay. In our surrounding, there are two types of things like living things and non-living things. And also you know a natural things. Okay. Today I am going to teach you what are living things, what are non-living things, and what are the natural things. Look at here. This cat, man, ox, farmer, plant, they all have life. How come I say that they have life and these things do not have life? Okay, ma'am? Look at this picture. Can you see this picture? What have you observed in this picture? Come on, tell me, what are you seeing in this picture? See, you can see a baby, okay? Baby, and then a small boy. Like in your house, you can see a small baby. Or when you were like a baby and when you came for LKG, how you were. When you came for UKG, how you are grown. Something changes are going on. Is it not? How the man has grown up. See, this is a baby and this one LKG student you can think, second class, and he is college, your brother, and a father going for a job. And here you can see how the changes is going on. In the finally you can see a old man. Okay? And here you can see even the animal is also changing. Like a small puppy dog and then a little bit and then it has changed into a dog Look at the dog. Now it is a bulldog. Okay. And even the plants, they too change. Like a seed. Inside the seed there is a baby plant. Then it grows small plant. Then you can see the changes of the plant. See the seed will be like this. Then of course a small root will come from the seed. Okay. Then only the two leaves will come. The baby plant. Then you can see slowly the leaves. The changes, how it is changing. Then it grows into a plant. Okay. Have you understood? Seed. Inside the seed there will be a small baby plant. Okay. Then small root system will come. Then again the root will come. Then it grows into a plant. Not only that, look at here. You can see this egg. Then what? A small chick has come from the egg. This is the chick. And then it becomes a hen. Okay. Now the hen is ready for the chicken. Got an idea? See? Egg, chick, small chick, chicks and a hen. Okay. Need food. Okay, I am saying all the living things need food. I am a living thing, you are a living thing, everything. Okay, here your mother will cook food for you. Okay, then what about the plant? Who cooks food for you? Your mom. Okay, I told even our tree, animals are all living things. See, all living things need food, water and air to survive. Survive means what? To live. Okay. Green plants. Here, your mother will make food for you. Okay. Then what about the animals? For animals, they go in search of food. Okay. They move from one place to another place. They hunt like a tiger and all. It hunts, and dog and all. They go search of food. If the dog and cat they are keeping at your house, your mom will keep food for them. Okay. Then what about the plant? Who is going to cook food for the plant? Have you seen? Is your mom preparing some food and putting for plant? No. Then from where? They can't even move from one place to another place. Can a plant move from one place to another place? No. The plants will just grow. They stand in one place only. Then who is putting food for them? You know, the plants prepare their own food. You know, the plants, they prepare their own food. Okay. All living things grow. animals grow in different size in different periods. Already I have shown you this. How the changes of animals, they change and they grow. Okay. Whereas plants too change their life. Plants also will change. So, all living things reproduce. Means what? Reproduce means giving birth for young ones. Okay, giving birth for young ones. Young ones of their own kinds. Animals lay egg and give birth to babies. Some animals lay egg. Some animals give birth, like a hen, frog, they all will lay eggs. Okay, ma? Butterfly, these all will lay eggs. Turtle, they will lay egg. Like a cow, dog, cat, they all will give birth to their young ones. All living things can change their surroundings and respond to them. Animals try to save themselves from dangers. If anything is coming, they will try to protect themselves. Okay, animals. Plants grow towards the light. Already I told, if you keep one pot or plant in your house where there is no sunlight, the plant will not grow properly. You test. You keep one pot in your bedroom and close everywhere. There is no air. If you be putting water also, the plant will not come properly. The plant needs air, water and sunlight also. And we also, ma, just close your nose like this tightly for 2 minutes. We can't. I can't, because without air we can't survive. If water is not there, what happens? There is no plant, no food for us. We can't survive. Okay. If sunlight is not there, no plants. Okay. If plants are not there, no animals. If animals and plants are not there, no human beings. Imagine, the whole world will look dark. Okay. Here, living things are made up of cells which are not visible to our naked eyes. See, like these cells will be there in our body. There will be many cells. Okay. From these cells, only the living things will form. But we can't see in our naked eyes. So, even the plants around us also have life, but plants, they cannot move from the one place to another place. See, this is the plant. How they are going to prepare their food means okay, this is a tray. Okay, now we are putting water. we are putting water for the tree. Water. Okay. The root of the tree absorbs the water and it sends to the all parts of the tree. Here, these leaves are there, na? These leaves absorb sunlight. These leaves absorb the sunlight and prepares food. It absorbs the sunlight and prepares food. Like how in the kitchen your mother will prepare food, like that the leaves will prepare food and send to all parts of the plant. Okay. So we can say the leaves as a food factory of the plant. It prepares the food and sends to all parts of the plant. So no one is preparing food for the plant and they are not going in search of food from one place to another place. They can't move. Okay, got it? Now, you are learnt that a living thing will grow. Okay, what are the things needed for a living thing? They grow. They change. You only have change like baby, first small baby, then you used to go with your 4 legs, then holding the wall you used to walk, then you started walking, running, then you will come from LKG, UKG, then little bit of growing, a bit of change. Have you observed? And also living things, they grow, okay, they breathe. See, for 2 minutes we can't. You can observe, keep your finger near your nose. Some do like this. You can feel the hot air. Okay. And living things reproduce means giving birth. Okay. Giving birth means giving the animals, giving the babies. Okay. They reproduce. They respond means, see, if suddenly, if I beat like this, you will do something. You feel the pain. We respond. Okay. If you keep the finger near the fire, you just take your hand like this. You respond. And living things need food. Can you be without food? No, Amma. I feel hungry. If a half an hour late, we can't control ourselves. One day if you don't eat, we go weak like this, okay? And they need food, okay? Without water, we can't. And at least we have to drink 5 liters of water per day, okay ma? And living things die. One day they die, okay? And here, non-living things, they will be like that only. How they are? They will be like that only. See, how many years if I keep this duster will be like that only. Will the duster grow? No. Is this duster drinking water? No. Can the duster reproduce? Can it give me more duster? No. Is this duster asking, I'm hungry, give me yummy food? No. Wherever it is, it will be like that only. Okay? So, some non-living things, they be like that only. Okay? They don't need, non-living things, they don't need water, air, and they they don't need food also, they don't grow also. When we are using the things shown in the picture, look at this. See this stone, this bench and this, did it give any birth for it? No. How it is? The condition is like that only. It doesn't need water, it doesn't feel pain, it doesn't need water, air, food, and it doesn't move from one place to another place. Okay? Do they need food? And how often do they drink water? How longer will they stay small? Is the chair growing? No. Is the table growing in bigger size? How many babies the table can reproduce? If you keep for 5 years, even the table will be like that only, but it will not give birth for young ones. Okay? These things are all non-living things. They don't move from one place. They don't give birth. They don't need water. They don't need air. Okay. Here we are going for some natural non-living things. Natural means what? The things which are given by nature or God. Here you can see this table, bench, chair and all is man-made things. Okay? The things, these all are made by man. This stone is made by nature, God, soil, water, cloud, snow, sun, moon, stars. They are all made by nature. Nature is nothing, God made things. Okay? And man-made things are, man-made non-living things are bus, kite, camera, and then what is this, chapati, computer, book, house, pot. These are all man-made things. Okay? Now, so here, living things and non-living things make our environment. Environment means our surrounding. That is the name of our subject, our lesson, our surrounding. Without living plants and animals and non-living things, there will be no exist of human beings on the earth. So, we must take care of our surrounding. We must look after our surrounding well. We should not cut out the trees, or we should not eat. Upon the animals, like wild animals are there. So many have been destroyed. Like we should not destroy them. We should take care of the animals also. Okay, ma? Like elephants and all, they are there. We should make them to be in the forest, and forest officers, they take more care of the animals also.